break is almost be done in September year because almost it's coming my paycheck soon and a Halloween Friday 4th because I'm Friday 3rd. Yeah, because it's almost done on September. Last year is October. This will be done. This will be done September year. Soon be the Halloween. Everybody will be costume up and wear Christmas costumes, holiday costumes, decorations, and candles. And now people they're ready for this Halloween coming back. So very soon. Now, baby people they're ready, they're excited the holidays. And because 2 weeks, it's also my cousin's birthday. This is our birthday, this is 60th birthday, 22nd. So my cousin's birthday is coming up September 21st. And so we gotta wait for this 21st. Yeah, and this one's coming out next year's November. Yeah, yeah, it's because people they likes the holidays for reasons. So it's gonna be hot today 2 months for the year. But yeah, everybody that likes to go to school, be late. Yeah, people that go to school for the reason they have off early it's Mondays. Yeah, Mondays will be late to work. But Mondays, I hate why is everybody likes Mondays. But never mind. Everybody likes to go to school, go to work. Friday, Friday night, go to school. Yeah. So everybody they ready to go to school, get ready. See, I know there's people there. Just in the cars. There's up there got a drink there. Yeah. Everybody's to go to school, go work, and because the people getting up early to the house, people that are sleeping everywhere in the neighborhoods, because the people there happens their holidays. Yeah, yeah. So people they ready to go to school. Yeah. Stinks in the trash can. Ugh. I know this. How many trash those things there? Including my sister. How many bags? Oh, really? Oh, because the plastic. Oh, yeah, the plastic. How many stinks? I should probably my sister took out that trash in her room before she needs to go take it to the trash can outside. Yep. Oh, we eat in and out hamburgers yesterday before my father came home work yesterday. Now tomorrow my dad's gonna work early. Lots next work. So my father he have another job to work. Yeah, yeah, man. So this is recycle is done there. Now we're missing the trash in the yard. Hey, kitty. You just stand there to the shade. Hmm. You know. Yeah, poor kitty. He needs to take his. He's so hot outside because that's why he put shade to the shadow than the tree. Yeah. 不要，就是这样，就不是放在这边，人家丢垃圾很脏啊，你知道吗？几个礼拜了，人家。Anyway, any people that need some reasons because the people that are like, so the people they need help others, the people they what? Is that the plants? Oh, really? Is that the plants? work. I don't see any traffic anywhere this side. Yeah. Oh, no, misses the trash there. Mm-hmm. Why do you have a couple there and a jump rings in the bed? Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I can see everybody there. Hey, buddy. Just flew away. He got scared. So people, they need oh, just 3 days is almost be done. 1 week is to be done this September here. Now the Netflix will be gone there. NC, the Prince of Egypt, Hope, the Good Burgers, and the Captain Underpants, and stuff of the you know what's leaving soon is the movie came back at the anywhere. Now we people they're done. They finished the movie long time ago. The past, the present, and next the future. It's come out today. Yeah. Everybody's a bit late to the classroom. There's a shade in the sun's for me. So it's gonna be hot today, Tuesday, tomorrow. Just I had to quickly walk here. Yep. Yeah. So the people they're ready to go. That's my sister's cat. We stole them, and my cat ran away, and my orange cat got away too. All the cats that got run away, except for the cat that stole them back home. Yeah. We have many cats. Orange ones is 1, 2, 3, 4 cats. Orange cats that have. His name is Tiny, Peaches, Robin, and Mango. There are 4 cats. Orange that like tabby cats. They call them tabby cats. Orange cats like tabby cats. Yeah, and we have black cats. Yep. Is Batman, Panther, and the other black one is the called name, and Pepper. 4 cats. Yeah, it's about black and white. There's Tokyo and Weekend. 2 cats. Except for the gray cat is Spiny Cat and little baby kitty, gray kitty, and Cola. 3 cats. Maybe go to the trash can. The South Hayward and Laguna City, they have many cats the anywhere the top shit. And the streets, because super many cars have traffic, 11 streets and in Gabby Road. Yeah, there's people that happens their home because the people there lost their parents, their cats, they need hungry to eat, to drink. and leave the home for the adoption. Yeah. Yeah, people, they need small cats, they need food, they need they need water. Well, that's cats that have neighborhoods. That person having neighborhoods, they have cats too. Yeah, people that have these cats, they need for drink, and eat, and sleep. Yeah, it's gonna be like a dog soon for the rest of the year. And now the cats are gone there anymore. I don't have no cats anymore. And I don't have no parrots, dogs, fish, rabbits, ducks. Except for the birds. Birds in the street is in the there's and somehow I have many birds. One bird died, one bird got flew away, and one bird got flew away. And 3 birds and stolen, and 2 birds are stolen. Except for 2 birds, he bought me this one. Then they take it down to the house. So anyways, so that's what happens there. They have pets. They have many pets in the house, in the place that past, the present, and the future. It's the end. Okay, guys, make sure, guys, make sure see me like, comment, and subscribe the whole time. Sorry, I have a cream in my face, skin, because I put too much cream. Yeah, I need to buy more creams and Solante and my perfumes. So okay, make sure take care of yourself. Like, comment, and subscribe the video. Take care of yourself. Go home and lock your doors, close the window before it's gonna be hot today, tomorrow, Tuesday, and 91 degrees. Take care of yourself. Make sure you have a see you in there. Bye bye.